Thank you viewers and welcome to our lesson of today. After looking at other parts of operations in all numbers, today we want to check on the last one, that is division. Division is the fourth part of operation in all numbers, and in division we always do a simple thing. You'll find that you are given a number to divide by another one. I'm using A and B to represent the numbers. There are some in which the numbers are smaller, and so when it is written this way you can just find the answer, let's say Z. But you'll find a number which is a little bit bigger, like let's take PQR to be divided by X. In this one it becomes a challenge, so there's another method in which we can carry out this division and this one. We will first check on the simple division that requires just to give an answer, like in this case. So when we look at examples, before I go to the complicated one, in division we will have a term known as quotient, and this quotient is the answer we are getting after we've carried out the operation, which is division. So when you are given terms, when you are given numbers, let's say 25 divided by 5, we know that 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. Now in this one, the digit 5 as our answer is what we refer to as quotient. Another example, we have 33 divided by 3. 33 divided by 3, the answer is 11. This one is easy. Another one, we have, let's take 22 divided by 11. The answer you are getting here is 2. So in a simple division like this one, it is very easy for a student to get the answer just in this simple arrangement. You'll find another example, let's say 963 divided by 3. I know some of you are smart enough to see the answer, but then we must use a given method that is suitable to everyone who is doing such a sum. You know, in a class, not all of us may be smart. In this one, we will do what is called long division. This long division in the operation of division is different from long division you are doing in square root, in finding square root. Though they are, in some circumstances, you will find that the steps are a bit similar. In long division, we will have 3 things that we must know very well. You are given A, we have B to be divided by A, and the answer you are getting is C. Like I had said before, in this one you will find that A is the divisor. Then we have the symbol for long division, and we have B inside that symbol. So B inside the symbol is called dividend. Now when we have a dividend to be divided by a divisor, we are going to get an answer. That answer, like in this case, we've seen it is quotient. So in every time you are doing long division of this kind, you will always have 3 parts. You will have the divisor outside the symbol, the dividend inside the symbol, and the quotient which is on top of that symbol. Let us check on this example I've just indicated here. Work out this is example 1. We are going to use this method to find the quotient here, which is our answer. We will have 963 as the dividend, so it will be inside this symbol. Then we have 3 outside. This 3 becomes the divisor. Whatever you want to get is the quotient up there. Now this is what we do. The dividend, we will go step by step. The digits of the dividend, starting from the one on the left side, we move that way down, not down but to the right. So we will be going step by step. And in this one, we will be checking how many times does the divisor goes to the digit of the dividend. Like in this case, we will ask ourselves, how many times does 3 goes to 9? We find that 3 goes to 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is going to give us 9. When we subtract 9 from 9, we are getting 0. When we have 0 there, but there are still other digits on the right of the first digit in the dividend, we will drop them so that we have 6. So we've done away with 9, we are moving to 6. We again ask ourselves, how many times does 3 goes to 6? That is 2 times. So we will have 6 down there. 6 minus 6, we have 0. We drop 3. We just go step by step. So we will have 3 there. How many times does 3 goes to 3? We have 1. Now 1 times 3 is going to give us 3 here. It means our answer will be 0 down there. When now we have 0 down there, it means this one becomes the quotient of the answer. So 963 divided by 3, answer is 321. Next example. We have 1520 to be divided by 5. 1520 to be divided by 5. We have 5 as the divisor. Then we have 1520 as the dividend. Now we need a quotient. And I've said we move step by step. We know that 1 is less than 5. So we will combine the first two, which is 15, and check if they are divisible by 5. We will have 5 into 15, which is 3. That is 15. This one is 0, 0. Then we are subtracting at that point. We drop 2. 5 cannot divide 2. So we will write 0 and drop this. That one is now 20. So 5 into 20 is giving us 4. This one, 20. The answer we get down here is 0, 0. There comes a case when the dividend is not exactly divisible by the divisor. In that one, when the dividend is in that case, we will have what is called a remainder. We will have what is called a remainder. I want you to see this clearly. In this division, down here we will not get 0, 0, but we will get a number which is less than the divisor. A case is 31. When we take 31 and try to divide by, let's say, 4, we will have 31 as the dividend and 4 as the divisor. 4 cannot divide 3, so we will take 31 as a whole. 4 goes into 31, 7 times, which is 28. 31 minus 28, the answer is 3. We find that this 3 is not divisible by 4 unless we are going to get a decimal or a fraction. So for that instance, we will take 3 as it is. We call it a remainder. It is what is left after this division. We are not reaching to 0, 0, but we are having a value which is less than the divisor. So our answer here will be 7 remainder 3. Because when we take 7 times 4, we are going to get 28. When we add this 3, we are carrying back to 31, the dividend. So in a case where the division is not complete to 0, we will include that remainder because not all of them will be perfect divisions. Another example, we have 43. Divide by 5. We will have 43 5 cannot divide 4. 4 is less than 5. So we will move to combine them to have 43. Now 5 goes into 43 8 times. You can tell me what 8 times 5 is. When we subtract here, we are getting 3. We've seen that it is not 0, 0 down there. There is a 3 remaining. So whatever we have as our answer will be 8 remainder 3. Even if it is a bigger value, but there's that remainder included in your answer. Thank you very much for this lesson, and please try to subscribe to our channel so that you can support us. Thank you very much.